exclusive look at the 2021 Supercross season with the Yamaha Star Racing team. The fight for the Monster Energy Supercross Championship is heating up, and the battleground tonight is Salt Lake City, Utah. This is Monster Energy AMA Supercross.
And it's Star Racing Yamaha all the way as we arrive here in Utah as the team duo of Colt Nichols and Christian Craig just 8 points apart.
Craigie was the fastest in the first qualifier. He called it a flex off, Ricky. Everyone was out there flexing, trying to be the fastest. He was that guy. He has 2 wins on the season, and I'm excited to see how he closes out.
Well, he has certainly made it happen.
Christian Craig is down. That's not a good look. Christian Craig, Ricky, the challenge is huge for the 29 machine.
He's 8 points in the rear in the championship. He has got to go for it.
Can he get it done in the main event later tonight? Before that, he's got to qualify. This is heat race number 2 of the 250s. The revs are going to go up, the gate will drop, and all eyes on Monster Energy Star Racing Christian Craig. Wow, look at that start. Where is Christian Craig? Not in the top 5. Ricky, this is going to be tough.
Yeah, I mean, you can see right there, he's just rolling. But he had to do this. Everybody watching and tuning in right now, he's going to roll out here. But Daniel, he had to do what he had to do, and you have to give it up for him. At least he can leave this track knowing that he gave it 100%. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, and he doesn't have to second guess his decision. Now, this is going to change the landscape, Daniel, of the championship for Colt Nichols.
I mean, obviously for Colt, this has massive championship implications now, so what's that conversation been like?
I try not to think too much about it and go just do the same thing that got us here, right? Like, that's the only plan we can stick to, is set the red plate for a while and you keep executing the same plan we've been doing and do the best we can tonight.
Thanks so much and good luck.
Thanks.
When we started this day, the story was Colt Nichols and Christian Craig. Ricky, the fight between the 2 teammates. How much fight do you expect Colt Nichols to put up right here? Is he going for the win in this main event, or is it just title on the mind?
I think he's going to go for it, try to get that championship.
There we go. Gate is down. 250 main event from Salt Lake City. Where is Colt Nichols?
Yeah, he was back there. He's mid-pack right there. Well, this is going to put the pressure on Colt Nichols if he wants to win this championship and see who's going to be the best in the whoops. Colt Nichols picks up another spot, and he's got to close the gap. He can't lose more than 2 points to Joe Shimoda. He was the fastest guy on the track that time, too. He's closed the gap into 3. This is not over yet.
Nichols now triples by Mosman. Mosman does a triple out. Does Nichols cut under, out to in? He's going to get him. Okay. Nichols now 3rd.
That whole race, I'm a little frustrated with how it went. It was unfortunate what happened with Christian early. Man, I hate to see guys go out like that. I've had my fair share of injuries, and it's no fun. So we'll take it to next weekend, and we got a comfortable points gap, and that's always nice. I would have loved to wrap it up here tonight, but we got another race. So we've came a long way. It's been a long season, and 1 more to go.
Colt Nichols, 1, 2, 3. This championship fight is going to next Saturday, and to think we still got a 450 main event to go in Salt Lake City. There's a lot of riders on this gate that do not care about Ken Roczen or Cooper Webb. They want some for themselves. Here we go. 450 main event in Salt Lake City. The game is now. You got Malcom Stewart, who was shredding in his heat race behind Eli Tomac.
Look at Malcom Stewart making up so much time on Cooper Webb in the whoops. He's running out of patience. He's been calm for over 10 minutes now, right on the rear wheel of Cooper Webb.
Yeah, these riders don't want to get involved in a title fight and do anything wrong, but you still got to make a move. If it's there, he almost does. And I think you're right. I think he's running out of patience.
Finally, bud. We've been waiting for that one for a while.
What a ride from Malcom Stewart.
Yeah, first podium.
Utah fans are coming back here in another week, so hey, I want you guys to get loud. Thank you guys.
Thanks so much, Malcolm. Congratulations. I think that's the biggest cheer of the night, guys.
What a night. Good 250 main, good 450 main.
I can't wait to tune into this race
Yeah.
here on Saturday. We're going to be handing out 3 championships.
I know, finally. Hey, I'll send you some job, buddy. On the way to the airport. Buddy. I ain't gonna lie. I looked up and I saw there was 2 minutes ago. Dude, I started freaking out. I was like, breathe. Oh, I was stressing, boy.